To enable and set up mobile hotspot on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we need to go to settings. Now if you didn't set up the mobile hotspot yet, you need to go to more connectivity options, and then in here we can find portable hotspot option. And then we can turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. And then from now on, if you try to open these settings for the mobile hotspot, you will find it immediately in the main menu of settings. So now as you can see here, we have the portable hotspot. Now, if you want to configure your hotspot, you can just go to setup portable hotspot. And then in here we can find our network name. We can find the password by tapping on this eye icon. And there are some additional settings that you can go through, like for example, the AP band selection. Of course, if you have the hotspot enabled, you can generate a QR code. That can be, of course, very useful if you don't want other devices to look for your network, and if you want to make it a little bit easier to join your network so that these devices can just scan the QR code, the Wi-Fi QR code, of course, and then they can connect without the password. There is also the option to activate the 6th standard. So if you want to use Wi-Fi 6 for your mobile hotspot, then you can turn it on in here. And besides that, you can find I think we can find it, although I'm not entirely sure. No, it seems that it is not added, but generally speaking, in the control center, we can also enable or disable mobile hotspot. So I'm gonna tap on edit at the bottom in here. And then we can look for the hotspot. There we go. I'm just gonna tap on it in order to add it to the list. And now I can quickly enable and disable hotspot via the control center. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.